the peacock mantis shrimp. Otherworldly in appearance, there's more to this odd creature than meets the eye. It's a formidable predator. Its bizarre appearance is the result of 80 million years of evolution. With an appendage for every occasion, the peacock mantis shrimp is the Swiss Army knife of the marine world. Five pairs of legs for feeding. 3 pairs of legs for walking. 2 pairs of antennae for reception. 10 gills for breathing. 2 eye stalks bearing an extraordinary pair of compound eyes. And even a set of windscreen wipers. But of its 34 appendages, it's those club-shaped limbs at the fore that make it a true killer. At just 6 inches, he punches well above his weight. His hunting strategy is one of brute force. Understandable when prey species include the well-armed and well-armoured, not to mention well-camouflaged. But camouflage is of little use when hunted by a peacock mantis shrimp. His eyes are amongst the most complex in the animal kingdom. While human eyes have just 3 colour photoreceptors, he has 12. With the capacity to see far beyond the human visible spectrum, very little escapes his attention. While the crab's defences are formidable, this seasoned brawler treats them with contempt. He's more than a little territorial and knows exactly who's moving through his patch. Especially those of the tasty variety. Unaware of the mantis shrimp's presence, the crab strays close. Too close. With the velocity of a .22 caliber bullet, the mantis shrimp's strike is the fastest in the animal kingdom. The assault is so fast that friction makes the surrounding water boil. The devastating punch knocks limbs off the victim and delivers a quick death. With built-in cutlery at his disposal, his home-delivered crab meat meal is ready to eat.
Jaguar versus Cayman. Fight! These two predators are battling to the death. Who will emerge victorious? In the heart of Brazil, the world's largest tropical wetland is known as the Pantanal. These 81,000 square miles are home to a wild variety of creatures. Some cute, and some not so cute. Close relatives of the alligator, caimans are aplenty in these parts. During the dry season, an estimated 5 to 10 million Jacari caimans crowd the riverbanks. It actually might be the largest population of crocodilians on Earth. Male caimans can grow to 8 feet long, and weigh 130 pounds. But to be king of the swamp, they've got competition from the third largest cat in the world. Roughly 100 jaguars roam the Pantanal. With such thick coverage, this dense rainforest is an ambush predator's dream. Oh, and one more thing. Jaguars are superb swimmers. This young male could grow to weigh more than 200 pounds. To rule this land, a kid's meal won't cut it. Enter the caiman. Tangling with such a foe could spell doom for the cat, and yet hunger outweighs his concern. The time to strike is now. Let's rumble. An experienced jaguar would unleash a deadly bite to the brain, but the rookie is struggling to maintain a firm grip. Desperate to escape, the caiman tries to roll over, but the jaguar's powerful jaw clamps down on the reptile's throat. The caiman does have one advantage: he can hold his breath underwater for an hour. If he can stay afloat and alive just long enough, he might be able to surprise the jaguar with another roll. It's now a contest of pure strength and stamina. Both animals are exhausted, but surrender is not an option. The stress of the tussle takes its toll, and the caiman's body goes limp. With water in the lungs, it's all over. Well, almost over. The jaguar still has to haul that carcass out of the river. But here we go. Made it. And there you have it. In a land loaded with armored reptiles, this ferocious feline reigns supreme.
These pools are known locally as wadis, the Arabic word for valley. The wadi lies in the mountains, rising along the east coast of the Arabian Peninsula. The Al-Hajar mountain range stretches 310 miles from the United Arab Emirates in the north into the Sultanate of Oman in the south. This wadi, dwarfed by barren rock faces and towering mountains, may not look like much, but this rare oasis offers a lifeline for wildlife. Toads are one of only a handful of animals that can exist here year-round. Unsurprisingly, amphibians are extremely rare in arid Arabia. Just 9 species are found here. Most are confined to the cooler coastal areas. The Arabian toad is the only species to have penetrated the drier interior, and it is entirely dependent on the wadi. Sensitive to movement. Each time the toad hops, the visual hunter draws closer. If the toad keeps perfectly still, the snake can't detect it. It is a battle of nerves. Incredibly, the snake's tongue seems unable to pinpoint its target, even at point-blank range. The toad's bravery pays off.